Let's talk about using modules, and there's our public modules and private modules. So public modules are going to be on the Terraform registry, and private modules are going to be in Terraform Cloud, or I suppose Terraform Enterprise. So Terraform registry is integrated directly into Terraform, so it makes it really easy to start using them. So all you're going to do is use the module block. So I'm just going to highlight that there. Then we have the name of our module. We're providing the source of our module, and then there's the version of our module. Terraform init command will download and cache any module referenced by a configuration. Now looking at private modules, it looks very similar. It's just that the name is different. So we're specifying the host name in front here and a namespace as well. So to configure private module access, you need to authenticate against Terraform Cloud via Terraform login. So that's something there. We definitely cover that a lot in the practice exam. So just in case, you know all the edge cases there. Alternatively, you can create a user API token and manually configure credentials in the CLI to configure the file. So there you go.